colors and shapes.
Well, hi there. Oh, that's a pretty color. Let's find out which color it is. Move your star to it.
Purple.
Purple.
Ooh, I think this color looks very nice. Use your star to find out what it is.
Yellow.
This is a terrific color. Move your star to it.
Orange.
Wow, what a great color, huh? Put your star on it. I want to hear what it's called.
Red.
Red.
Now, move your star to this color.
Blue.
Click on it when you're ready to see another color.
Blue.
Wow, what a great color, huh? Put your star on it. I want to hear what it's called. I'm yellow. I'm always yellow, I guess. I'm yellow.
Brown.
Now, move your star to this color.
Green.
Green.
What color is this? Move your star to it.
White.
White.
This is a terrific color. Move your star to it.
Black.
Click on it when you're ready to see another color.
Black.
Wow, what a great color, huh? Put your star on it. I want to hear what it's called.
Pink.
What color is this? Move your star to it.
Brown.
Wow, what a great color, huh? Put your star on it. I want to hear what it's called.
Orange.
What color is this? Move your star to it.
Black.
This is a very nice looking color. Let's make sure we know which one it is. Move your star to it.
White.
White.
This is a terrific color. Move your star to it.
Pink.
Pink.
Now, move your star to this color.
Purple.
Purple.
Wow, what a great color, huh? Put your star on it. I want to hear what it's called.
Green.
Green.
This is a very nice looking color. Let's make sure we know which one it is. Move your star to it.
Red.
Now, click on it and we'll see another color.
Red.
Now, move your star to this color.
Blue.
This is a very nice looking color. Let's make sure we know which one it is. Move your star to it.
Yellow.
This is a terrific color. Move your star to it.
White.
White.
This is a very nice looking color. Let's make sure we know which one it is. Move your star to it.
Black.
Now, click on it and we'll see another color.
Black.
Now, move your star to this color.
Yellow.
Wow, what a great color, huh? Put your star on it. I want to hear what it's called.
Purple.
Purple.
What color is this? Move your star to it.
Blue.
Blue.
This is a terrific color. Move your star to it. So long.
Elmo is so glad to see you. What kind of game should we play with these colors? A number game? No, a letter game? Don't be so silly. Let's play a color game. Find the color orange.
Orange. Carrot.
Oh, yeah! Okay, this time, Elmo wants to find the color green. You're silly. Elmo isn't green. Look over there and find the color green.
Green. Pickle.
That's right. This is one of Elmo's favorites. See if you can find the color pink.
Cotton candy.
Correctamundo. Elmo knew you knew a lot about colors. Very good. You are such a good color finder that Elmo thinks you're ready to try something a little harder. Wow, these things look like fun. Let's play a game with them. Find a thing that is the color purple.
Vacuum cleaner. Purple.
Nice job! That's purple. Elmo found a terrific color finder. You! Which one of these things is the color blue?
Balloon.
thinks is the color orange.
Orange. Orange.
Correctamundo. That's the color orange. You sure know your colors. Oh, Elmo's got a really good one this time. Okay, ready? Find a thing that is the color pink.
Jellyfish.
That's right. That's the color pink. You are one terrific color finder. Find a thing that's the color red. You are very smart. Elmo is red. Elmo forgot about that when he asked you the question. Now, find the other red thing around here.
Lobster.
Very good. It sure is red. Elmo is so proud of you. Oh, Elmo's got a really good one. Ready? Click on the thing that is the color black.
Piano.
Nice job. That's the color black. Elmo is so proud of you. Find a thing that's the color brown.
Glove.
All right. That's very brown. Elmo knew you knew a lot about colors. Very good. Okay, don't do anything yet. Elmo needs to think of a color. Oh, Elmo's got one. Okay. Click on the thing that is the color red.
Button.
Very good. That's red. Wow. You are very, very good at color finding. Oh, this is one of Elmo's favorites. All right. Here's what Elmo wants you to do. Click on the thing that is the color black.
Ant.
Very good. That's black. You are one terrific color finder. Oh. Elmo's got a really good one this time. Okay, ready? Find a thing that is the color yellow.
Pencil.
Wow! It's yellow. Elmo is so proud of you. Find a thing that's the color purple.
Yarn.
Very good. Purple. It's purple. Elmo knew you knew a lot about colors. Very good. Okay, don't do anything yet. Elmo needs to think of a color. Oh, Elmo's got one. Okay. Click on the thing that is the color white.
Eggs.
Oh, yeah! That's white, all right. Wow, you are very, very good at color finding. Now, see if you can find a thing that is the color red.
Watermelon.
Nice job! It sure is red. Boy, Elmo thinks you're very good at finding colors. What thinks is the color blue.
Umbrella.
Wow! That's blue! Elmo is so proud of you! Okay, don't do anything yet. Elmo needs to think of a color. Oh, Elmo's got one. Okay. Click on the thing that is the color yellow.
Yo-yo.
That's right. That's the color yellow. Boy, Elmo thinks you're very good at finding colors. Oh, this is one of Elmo's favorites. All right, here's what Elmo wants you to do. Click on the thing that is the color orange.
Jacket. Orange.
Wow, that's orange. You sure know your colors. Oh, this is one of Elmo's favorites. All right, here's what Elmo wants you to do. Click on the thing that is the color brown. Get ready to play with shapes.
Hi there! Look! It's a shape! Move your star to it and find out which one it is. Circles get me thinking about circle things. Wheels, they mostly circles. Basketballs, they circles. Manhole covers, they circles too. Who me kidding? Me think about cookies! Delicious circle cookies!
Circle.
Circle.
Circle! Yeah. Whoa! What shape is this? We got to know. Move star to shape.
Oval. Oval.
Oval! Of course! Oh yeah, now this game really shaping up. Ha. Get it? Never mind. Let's talk about this shape here. What is it?
Rectangle.
Rectangle! Oh, you very good at this. Me can tell. What shape this? Find out with star. Lots of good things to eat come in triangle shape. Yeah, like slice of pizza. Yum. And also ice cream cone. Delicious. And once me ate prune Hammentaschen. Yeah, wonderful triangle cookie. Try one sometime.
Triangle.
Triangle! Oh, you very good at this. Me can tell. Whoa! What shape is this? Me got to know. Move star to shape.
Oval.
Oval! Oh, that nice. Me know what this is. It's a shape. Let's find out which one.
Circle.
Circle. Right on! Oh yeah, me like this shape. Yeah. But me not sure what shape it is. Please move star to it.
Square.
Square! Of course! Oh yeah, me know this one. No, me don't. It shape though. Me certain of that.
Oval.
Oval! Oh, you very good at this. Me can tell. Oh yeah, now this game really shaping up. Ha. Get it? Never mind. Let's talk about this shape here. What is it?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle! Of course! We know what this is. It's a shape. Let's find out which one. Elmo has some shapes for you to find.
Hi there! Look at all these shapes. Let's play a game with them. Elmo will say a shape, and then you find it. Here we go. Click on the circle.
Circle.
Circle. You found it. Elmo knew you could do it. Okay, now find the triangle. Elmo isn't a triangle. Elmo's a monster. Now find the triangle over there.
Triangle.
Triangle. Elmo thinks you're a super shape finder. Oh, Elmo's got a good one. Ready? See if you can find the square.
Square.
Square. Boy, you are very good at finding shapes. You know what? You are so good at shape finding, we're going to make this a little harder. Oh, this is the best. Elmo loves this shape. Okay, click on the oval.
Oval.
Oval. You found the shape. Yay! Elmo is having so much fun playing this shape game. Okay, here comes another one. Yeah. Click on the triangle.
Square.
No, that's not it. Move your star to a shape to hear its name. Remember, you're looking for the triangle.
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 Triangle. Very good. That's just the shape Elmo meant. Shapes. Elmo has to pick a good one. Okay, Elmo's got one. Find the circle.
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 Circle. Boy, you are very good at finding shapes. Shapes. Elmo has to pick a good one. Okay, Elmo's got one. Find the triangle.
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 Triangle. Boy, you are very good at finding shapes. Elmo's got another one for you. Find the rectangle. Big Bird is ready for you.
Hello. I've got an idea. Pick a shape from over here and a color from over there.
Square. Green.
Green.
Great. You picked a very nice color. Now, make it a shape.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Why, I think it's a green rectangle.
Green. Rectangle.
Green. Blue.
Blue.
Why, I think it's a blue rectangle.
Blue. Rectangle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Why, I think it's a blue triangle.
Blue triangle.
Wow! Now make something else.
Rectangle.
Pink.
Pink.
You've made a pink triangle.
Pink triangle.
Square.
Square.
You know what that is? It's a pink square.
Pink square.
Psst! Try clicking on the shapes and colors over there. I'm yellow and I'm bird-shaped. Elmo's working on a great game. You'll see.
Hello? Look, colors. And look, shapes. Oh, Elmo has an idea. Let's make a green square.
Green. Green.
Boy, you know a lot about shapes and colors. Boy, you know a lot about shapes and colors.
Square.
Green square.
It's perfect. Now, look over there and make a black circle.
Black. Black.
Circle.
Black circle.
It's perfect. Now, look over there and make a yellow square.
Yellow. Yellow.
Square.
Yellow square.
Yeah. Now, look over there and make a blue square.
Blue. Blue.
Square.
Blue square.
Very good work. Now, let's make a purple triangle.
Purple. Purple. Triangle.
Purple triangle.
That's right. Elmo is very proud of you.